G'day, welcome back to Sunrise. Whether they're fried, poached or put in a cake, Aussies eat about 19 million eggs every single day.
Amazing.
Isn't that amazing?
Yes.
But what are the health benefits of the protein-packed superfood and how many should we really be eating?
To tell us more, dietitian from Nourish with Karina Savage. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Firstly, what are the benefits of eggs?
Oh, look, eggs are fantastic. They are super versatile. They're affordable. You can cook them a million ways. They are very rich in protein, but also valuable nutrients such as omegas, choline, good for eyesight, vitamin D, one of the few foods that actually contribute vitamin D, B group vitamins, iron. So they pack a real punch, these eggs.
Cholesterol, because there's this whole myth that it punches up your cholesterol, right?
There has been a very long-standing debate over cholesterol on eggs, but the bottom line is they have a very minimal impact on our blood cholesterol. So for the general population, if you're healthy, you can eat eggs unrestricted. But the National Heart Foundation does recommend limiting for those that have high blood pressure, a history of heart problems, heart disease, type 2 diabetes. So if you've got a bit of a history there, they do recommend limiting to 7 eggs per week.
Okay, if you don't have any of those, how many a day?
As many as you want.
As many as you want?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, unrestricted.
It's really interesting, isn't it? Often people will go for an egg white omelette, thinking that it's better, healthier, but it's not necessarily the case.
Well, the egg white is high in protein, which is why it's very popular in the fitness industry. But the egg yolk is where most of the nutrition is. It's where you'll find the vitamin D, the omegas, the folate. So the fat-soluble vitamins are all in the yolk. So
yeah, it's the tasty bit too.
It is beneficial if you can include some yolks with the whites.
Unless you have problem with it. Okay. Recipes. I can smell stuff.
Yeah, so this is a build your own mini quiche recipe. So really it's very versatile. So basically the base is 4 eggs and a cup of milk, and you whisk that together with a bit of salt and pepper, and then really you can choose your casing, whether you want puff pastry such as this one. You can use bread, so I've used wholemeal bread with butter on these ones here, and basically you pour your egg mix in and then you basically put whatever you want in it, whether these ones are vegetarian, so I've used spring onion, capsicum.
I'm coming round, sorry.
No.
Spring onion, capsicum and mushrooms.
Oh, if you insist.
There you go.
These look great,
nice and crispy,
and then you top them with cheese, pop them in the oven, and they are great for breakfast, morning snack, lunchbox.
That's good. So that's the toast one. It's almost like a French toast.
That's
Do you know what? That almost looks like a crown. It's the King's birthday long weekend this weekend, isn't it? Look at that.
Yeah.
It does
There you go. You could make these.
You could.
The
Absolutely.
King's breakfast.
Tasty.
How long do you cook it for?
20 minutes. So 200 degrees,
That's
20
good, isn't it?
minutes. So
My nan used to make mini quiches like this.
yeah, and they're great
back.
for adults and kids. Yeah, very
I
healthy.
love those.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's
Delicious.
a pleasure.
Thanks,
You can
Karina.
find the full recipe on the Sunrise website and more great ideas on Karina's website, Nourish with Karina.
Well, stay with us. We have a vision